Pilates and yoga, aren't they the same thing? Okay, they both use a mat, but that's really about it. Yoga is the mind controlling the body, whereas Pilates is the body controlling the mind. Yoga is meant to be a physical exercise to prepare yourself for meditation, whereas Pilates is a form of exercise that's designed to be a workout. It's meant to replace the gym. The ultimate goal is to correct imbalances throughout the body, to strengthen weaknesses, to make your overall body stronger. It's a workout. And this isn't to say that yoga isn't strenuous or can't be strenuous, or that you can't feel good after a Pilates class, but they have different purposes. There's different goals. It's a different mindset. Sure, they can both be low impact in that there's not a lot of jumping in either. There's a human body, there's a mat. That's about all they have in common. Now, they both have their place in a well-rounded exercise program, but they're different. They have different purposes. They do different things. Pilates is not yoga. Yoga is not Pilates. They both have different benefits, but they are different.